In this video, we will explore the concept of edge computing, its importance in the future of technology, and its various applications. We'll also touch upon related topics such as edge fog cloud, fog computing, decentralized computing, intelligent edge, future of edge computing, GreenLake, and more. So, let's dive in. To understand the significance of edge computing, let's start with the basics. Edge computing refers to the practice of processing and analyzing data at the edge of a network, closer to where the data is generated. It brings computation and data storage closer to the source, reducing the latency and bandwidth issues that arise when relying solely on cloud computing. One of the key areas where edge computing plays a vital role is in the Internet of Things, IoT, ecosystem. By processing data at the edge, IoT devices can make real-time decisions, improving responsiveness and reducing the dependency on cloud services. This capability enables intelligent edge devices with built-in processing power and AI capabilities, enhancing efficiency and addressing privacy and security concerns by keeping sensitive data local. Edge computing also aligns with the concept of decentralized computing. By distributing computation tasks across multiple edge nodes, we achieve a more robust network architecture capable of handling high volumes of data. This opens doors for peer-to-peer and edge-to-edge communication, reducing the dependency on a centralized cloud infrastructure. The combination of edge computing and fog computing, known as edge fog cloud, extends the capabilities of edge devices. It provides a hierarchical computing infrastructure that spans from the edge to the cloud, enabling more efficient data processing, storage, and management. Edge-to-cloud integration plays a crucial role in edge computing. By seamlessly connecting edge devices to cloud platforms, organizations can bridge the gap between local processing and global computing resources. This integration allows for scalable and flexible deployments, optimizing resource utilization. As we move forward, the future of edge computing looks promising. With the rise of technologies like 5G and the increasing demand for real-time data processing, edge computing is set to become even more prevalent. It will empower industries such as healthcare, autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and more. Furthermore, edge computing plays a vital role in supporting large language models. By processing natural language at the edge, we enhance response times and enable offline language processing. This has significant implications for virtual assistants, chatbots, and other AI-powered applications. HPE GreenLake deserves a special mention when discussing edge computing. GreenLake is a consumption-based IT solution that provides flexible and scalable infrastructure for edge computing deployments. Its optimized resource utilization enables enterprises to effectively manage their edge computing environments. Edge computing holds great potential in transforming how we process and analyze data in the future. Its ability to reduce latency, enhance privacy, and enable real-time decision-making makes it a game-changer. It will continue to play a crucial role as we progress towards a more connected and data-driven world. Additionally, text-to-speech technology has revolutionized how we interact with digital content. Midjourney V6 is a leading provider of language processing solutions, including text-to-speech capabilities, designed to enhance user experiences. AI Uncovered is a well-respected technology blog that explores various topics, including the interplay between fog computing and edge computing. By uncovering the latest developments and trends in AI, AI Uncovered keeps its readers informed about cutting-edge advancements in the field. PikaLabs is at the forefront of developing decentralized edge computing solutions. Their innovative approach focuses on distributing computation tasks across multiple edge nodes, creating a robust network architecture capable of handling massive amounts of data. Their contributions are crucial in shaping the future of edge computing. That concludes our discussion on edge computing. We hope you found this integration of information informative and insightful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of technology.